Everyone, welcome to our channel Current Affairs for You. Let's begin the important current affairs of 17th January. Watch the video completely till the end and share with your friends. And do subscribe the channel. The first question for today is, who is the head of the working group formed by RBI to examine lending transactions via online portals or apps? Options are Jayant Kumar Das, VK Saraswat, Shashi Shekhar Vempati, Arun Singhal. Option A is correct here. Jayant Kumar Das has been appointed as the head of a working group formed by Reserve Bank of India to examine lending transactions via online portals or apps. So you can just remember transactions via online portals or apps. The head of the committee is Jayant Kumar Das. Now, for which group or for which committee VK Saraswat is the head? VK Saraswat has been head for the commercial viability of Virgin Hyperloop. You just remember Virgin Hyperloop technology. So the Virgin Hyperloop technology for ultra speed trains in India, Niti Aayog formed a committee to check the technology about Virgin Hyperloop in India. So this committee head is VK Saraswat. Now Shashi Shekhar Vempati, the CEO of Prasar Bharati, he is the head of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, constituted a committee to television rating agencies review on television rating agencies. So for this committee, Shashi Shekhar Vempati is the head. Now Arun Singhal is the head to manage food safety emergencies. Arun Singhal is the head of the committee. Next question. IRDAI formulated a committee to improve the quality and coverage of health insurance in the country. Who is the head of this committee? Options are Amit Shah, Subhash Chandra Kuntla, Ram Vinay Shahi, G. Kishan Reddy. So option B is correct here. Subhash Chandra Kuntla is the head of a committee formulated by IRDAI, stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. This is IRDAI, and it formulated a committee recently for what? To improve quality and coverage in health insurance. You can just remember health insurance, quality and coverage. The head of the committee is Subhash Chandra Kuntla. Now, to celebrate 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Government of India constituted a committee. For this committee, Amit Shah is the head. Now, Ram Vinay Shahi is the head of a committee, South Asia Energy Security Architecture. South Asia Energy Security Architecture committee head is Ram Vinay Shahi, and G. Kishan Reddy has been the head of a committee to land, literature and culture of Ladakh. To conserve land, language and culture of Ladakh. G. Kishan Reddy is the head of that committee. Next question. Which of the following bank launched wellness themed credit card? Options are Yes Bank, HDFC, ICICI, Bank of Baroda. So option A is correct here. Yes Bank recently launched something called wellness themed credit card. By Yes Bank. Now the present CEO and managing director of Yes Bank is Prashant Kumar. Prashant Kumar is the Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director for Yes Bank. Now let's talk about the other options. There is a very important point about ICICI. Let's talk about ICICI first. ICICI Bank launched something called Infinite India. And it's a web portal. Infinite India web portal launched by ICICI. For this Infinite India, it support foreign countries to establish their companies or to expand their business in India. Infinite India launched by ICICI for supporting foreign countries to establish or to expand business in India. And also ICICI executive director is Sandeep Batra. Sandeep Batra is the executive director for ICICI. Now recently Bank of Baroda signed an MOU with Defence Forces. For Baroda Military Salary Package. Next, let's talk about HDFC. HDFC chairman Deepak Paresh. Deepak Paresh is the HDFC chairman. Next question. Who launched PMKVY 3.0? Options are Piyush Goyal, Harshvardhan, Prakash Javadekar, Mahendranath Pandey. So option 4 is correct. Option D is correct here. Mahendranath Pandey launched something called PMKVY. PMKVY stands for Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Now PMKVY third edition is launched by Mahendranath Pandey. Who is Mahendranath Pandey? Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Minister for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Mahendranath Pandey launched PMKVY 3.0. Now Piyush Goyal recently launched something called the Prarambh Startup India International Summit. This is launched by Piyush Goyal. The Prarambh Startup India International Summit. Prakash Javadekar launched leopard population in India. According to this report, 60% leopard population has been increased by 2014 to 2018. Though that's a significant improvement in leopards population. Next question. So under this 600 districts in all states except Himachal Pradesh and Chhattisgarh and West Bengal, 8 lakh candidates will be given training or will be skilled in this training in next 3 months. Now this training will be provided by PMKKs. What is PMKKs? Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendras. Next question. Shakrine Kite Festival is celebrated in which country? Options are China, Japan, UK, Bangladesh. So Shakrine Kite Festival belongs to Bangladesh and it is celebrated in Dhaka, Bangladesh recently. Now China celebrates a kite festival called VFang International Kite Festival. This is celebrated by China, and Japan celebrates its kite festival called Uchinada Kite Festival. This is celebrated by Japan, and UK government celebrates Bristol Kite Festival. This is celebrated by UK, United Kingdom. Next question. In which state Kalrao Bird Festival is celebrated? Options are West Bengal, Odisha, Uttarakhand, Bihar. Option B is correct here. Kalrao Bird Festival is celebrated in the Odisha state. The Chief Minister for Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. Let's talk about this in detail. This festival started at Naginakti Bird Sanctuary, which is in Jamui district of Bihar. The Chief Minister for Bihar is Nitish Kumar, Governor Fagu Chauhan, and capital it's Patna. So option B is correct here. Option D is correct here, Bihar. So Kalrao Bird Festival, it is celebrated in Bihar. Now let's talk about the other options. First we talk about West Bengal. Barasat Football Stadium has been changed to Diego Maradona Football Stadium. Barasat Football Stadium has been renamed to Diego Maradona Football Stadium, and Swasthya Sati scheme has been launched by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Under this scheme, 5 lakh insurance will be given to every family in West Bengal. And Majerhat Bridge has been named to Jai Hind Bridge on the birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose. And also construction of first deep sea port at Tajpur district of West Bengal. Next, let's talk about Odisha. Some very important news about Odisha. First one, Secha Samadhan app released in Odisha for irrigation related problems for farmers. This is released by Odisha state government. And also new Chief Secretary for Odisha, Suresh Chandra Mohapatra has been appointed as Chief Secretary for Odisha state government. And one more very important point, memorial for COVID-19 warriors, it is also inaugurated in Odisha. Next, let's talk about Uttarakhand. There is a district called Nainital. In this district, Nainital, India's first moss garden inaugurated in Nainital district of Uttarakhand, and first lichen garden, first lichen garden. This is inaugurated at Pitrogarh district of Uttarakhand, and first museum called Ganga Avlokan. Ganga Avlokan, the first ever museum on Ganga. This is inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Haridwar district of Uttarakhand. Next, who has won the presidential election in Uganda? Options are Florence Situ, Emmanuel Macron, Bobby Wine, Francisco Sagasti. So option C is correct here. Bobby Wine has been the president for Uganda now. So recently he won in presidential elections. Now the Uganda capital is Kampala. Capital of Uganda is Kampala, and the currency is shilling. Shilling is the currency for Uganda. Next, India signed memorandum of understanding with which country to boost cooperation in information and communication technology? Options are Australia, Japan, Finland, Uzbekistan. So option B is correct here, Japan. So India signed MOU with Japan in the field of information and communication technology. So recently India and Japan signed in the field of steel, sector also. Now India signed MOU with Australia recently for sustainable groundwater management, research and development, and also capacity building. These three MOUs between India and Australia. India and Finland in the field of biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity and environmental protection. India and Uzbekistan, 9 MOUs and 9 agreements were between India and Uzbekistan. Next question. According to International Migration Report 2020, which country is the world's largest transnational community? Options are India, China, Mexico, Russia. So option A is correct here, India. What is meant by transnational community? It means that most of the Indian people are living outside of India in other countries. Almost, according to this International Migration Report 2020, 18 million people belongs to India who born in India. They were living outside India. So now this India stood in the first position. Mexico and Russia together they stood in the second position with 11 million people who belongs to Mexico and Russia. They are living outside of Mexico and Russia, and China with 10 million in third position. Next, who will inaugurate the newly built Kevadia railway station near Statue of Unity in Narmada district? Options are Uday Shankar, Modi ji, Anil Soni, Rajesh Kullar, Rajkumar Rai. Option B is correct here. Narendra Modi inaugurated virtually a newly built Kevadia railway station which is near to the Statue of Unity, because now the people need to reach the Statue of Unity very easily. That's why this railway station has been inaugurated. So it is in Narmada district. Uday Shankar, FICCI president. Next, Anil Soni, WHO Foundation CEO, Rajesh Kullar and Rajkumar Rai. Rajesh Kullar, World Bank Executive Director for World Bank is Rajesh Kullar. Rajkumar Rai, Indian Bank Association Head, Indian Bank Union Association Head. So that's all for today's current affairs. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you and share. Thank you.